Legion Engineering Doors and Windows, participant in the formulation of national industry standards, an old brand with 37 years of qualifications. For a long time, Young Legion Doors and Windows has been committed to the needs of the majority of engineering customers. Provide customers with customized, efficient, high-quality engineered doors and windows. One-stop solution. In Foshan, the capital of aluminum, an aircraft carrier level production base of 200,000 square meters, integrating R&D, design, customization, production, marketing, and the service of engineering doors and windows. There are more than 200 series of products, more than 10,000 specifications, from aluminum rod casting, mold opening, profile extrusion, spraying to finished door and window production and delivery. One-stop production. Comprehensive introduction of Swiss advanced extrusion, spraying production line, electrophoresis production line, using German CNC door and window production equipment. Leverage first-mover advantages in smart manufacturing. We strictly control the quality of product details. Delivered on schedule. Strive for perfection. Maximize customer satisfaction. Welcome all suppliers and developers friends. Advisory message.